Realme launched their 6 series smartphone in India. Here Realme 6 is upgraded version of Realme 5 Pro and Realme 6 is the upgraded version of Realme X. But how is this smartphone? Hello guys, welcome to Everything Smartphone. I am here once again to give you an idea about newly launched smartphone. Well, today I have Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro to discuss. Both phone has almost similar looking features. That's why I'll discuss both smartphone at the same time. So let's take a look at the best features of new Realme 6 series smartphone that gonna convince you to buy this smartphone. Well, without further ado, let's roll the intro and start the video. Let's start with design. As usual, like other Realme smartphone, it is nothing different in design. But this 20:9 ratio smartphone got full screen display with console cutout. In both scenarios, there are very minimal scenes in the front. On the back, both device has 4 camera setup and gradient design. But Realme 6 Pro back's design look more exciting and colorful. And Realme 6 Pro has glass back panel where Realme 6 has plastic back panel. But the both phone body made by plastic. For mid-budget smartphone, there is nothing to complain about that. So in overall scenario, both phone comes with exciting design as a mid-budget smartphone. That being said, let's come to the display part. Well, there are some changes in display too. Realme 6 Pro has 6.6-inch IPS LCD display. But Realme 6 Pro has slightly smaller 6.5-inch display. I don't see any major difference between these display in size. But Realme 6 Pro has bigger cutout in the display to place dual camera, which makes Realme 6 display cleaner than 6 Pro. Well, display resolution has been same for the both smartphone. In the both case, it has 1080 into 2400 pixels display. On the both occasion, display refresh rate is 90 Hz and produce 480 nits display brightness. For the protection, Realme 6 Pro has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and Realme 6 has Corning Gorilla Glass 3. But I must say, hey Realme, why not AMOLED? LCD is not for 2020 thing anymore. There are some significant changes in performance too. Where Realme 6 Pro used Snapdragon processor, Realme 6 used MediaTek processor. In this scenario, Realme 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor with Adreno 618 GPU. This is the first smartphone which contains this latest processor from Qualcomm company. On the other hand, Realme 6 used MediaTek Helio G90T processor along with Mali G76 MC4 GPU. This both processor has 8 core and performs very well in Antutu benchmark score. While in storage option, Realme 6 Pro start with 6GB RAM and Realme 6 start with 4GB RAM variant. But the both phone has highest 8GB RAM capacity. In storage variant, both phone has 64GB or 128GB UFS 2.1 storage variant. Also, this phone has dedicated microSD card slot. Well, this combination of hardware will run on Android 10 operating system with Realme UI on the both smartphone. In this occasion, both phones has 4 camera in the back, but camera module are not the same. Though the main camera module are the same in both smartphone. Both smartphone got 64 megapixel f1.8 main camera module. But in the 6 Pro there has 12 megapixel f2.5 telephoto lens, 8 megapixel f2.3 ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. On the other hand, Realme 6 has 8 megapixel f2.3 ultra-wide lens, 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor lens. So instead of that telephoto lens, Realme 6 got a depth sensor lens, which of course reduces price slightly low. Well, both camera features HDR panorama portrait as well. For the video, both smartphone can shoot 120 frames per second video at 1080p resolution. And for stabilization, both smartphone contains gyro electronic image stabilization. On the front side, Realme 6 Pro has dual punch-hole camera. It has 16 megapixel f2.1 main camera with 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide camera. But in Realme 6, there is only 16 megapixel camera on the front. Well, for the battery, both smartphone contains 4300 mAh non-removable battery. And for charging, both phone has 30 watt fast battery charging support, which can charge 0 to 100% in just 1 hour. Well, that was the 5 features of new Realme 6 series smartphone. Apart from that, both smartphone contains Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi, 3.5mm headphone jack, GPS and other features as like any other smartphone. As you can see, Realme 6 Pro offers more specs than Realme 6 smartphone. That affects in price too. I guess Realme 6 will be around $70 cheaper than Realme 6 Pro. Yes, both phones are mid-range phone and both phone contains better CPU power and better battery. If you are looking for something in mid-range, then you should consider one of these phones to buy. With that being said, I have to end this video in here. If you want to see details comparison between this smartphone, then keep your eyes on our channel. For that, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about our future updates. And if you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and share your thought in the comment below. So until the next video, keep watching everything smartphone and stay with us. And I am your host Amit, signing out.